Today I'm going to make our Jamaican sorrel drink. Well, sorrel is good all year round, but especially at Christmas you have to have some sorrel drink along with the Christmas cake, the black cake. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I've placed 2 pounds of sorrel and a quarter-pound of ginger in this pot. Then I added 2 gallons of boiled water. I just pour that on it. Then I let it sit overnight, so it's time to sweeten it now. Yes. So we strain it. We strain off this. Let's see here. There we go. All right. It's good. Lovely. All right. There it is. All right. So this is the sorrel and ginger that we had in the pot. Okay. So now we're gonna sweeten this goodie. This is 300 grams of sugar. Brown sugar, 300 grams. You could use more or less sugar. I tend to use less. So, persons can always add more for. And the same thing goes for the wine and the rum. We had a limited amount. And then alright, so for this we use 1.5 cup wine, 1.5 cup of wine, and 1/2 cup of rum, white rum. Okay. Yes. All right. So we just pour this inside here in the sorrel. Into the sorrel. And that's it. Simple 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now our sorrel drink is ready. Let's taste. It's good. It is good. So we pour this into our jug here. So I'll just cover this amount that's left off in here, and we'll put this into the refrigerator. For the excess that here, usually when I was growing up, my mom would pour it into these quart bottles, and that's how she would store the extra sorrel. And we'll have it for months later. Yes. So thank you for watching. Please do enjoy, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.